Understanding emotions in English. You've upset me. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase that carries a lot of emotions. You've upset me. Understanding this phrase is not just about the words, but the feelings and situations behind them. Let's dive into the nuances of this expression, its proper use, and how to respond if someone says it to you. You've upset me is a phrase that people use when they're feeling hurt or displeased because of something someone else has done. The word upset can describe a range of negative emotions, from mild annoyance to deep distress. It's important to pay attention to the speaker's tone and context to understand the intensity of their feelings. Use "you've upset me" when you need to express that your feelings have been hurt by someone's actions or words. It's a clear and direct way to communicate your emotions without being aggressive. Remember, it's always best to follow up this phrase with an explanation of what specifically caused your feelings, to avoid misunderstandings. In different cultures, expressing negative emotions can be seen differently. In some cultures, being direct about your feelings is appreciated, while in others, it might be considered confrontational. When using "you've upset me," consider the relationship you have with the other person and the cultural context you're in. If someone tells you, "You've upset me," it's crucial to respond with empathy and understanding. Acknowledge their feelings, apologize sincerely if you believe you've done something wrong, and discuss how to move forward. This shows respect for their feelings and can help mend the situation. Understanding and using the phrase, "You've upset me," involves more than just knowing the words. It's about recognizing emotions, respecting cultural differences, and communicating effectively. We hope this video helps you navigate emotional conversations more confidently. Remember, language is not just about speaking. It's also about connecting with others. Happy learning!